Ever wonder what that P0532 code on your dashboard means? It's a critical signal about your car's AC system. P0532 indicates an AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit low input. This means your AC isn't getting the right info. Beyond comfort, a properly functioning AC system is vital for your vehicle's overall performance and efficiency. Let's locate this crucial component. The ASC refrigerant pressure sensor is typically found within your AC lines. Its job to constantly monitor the refrigerant pressure, ensuring optimal AC operation and protecting components. This sensor then sends vital signals to your powertrain control module, or PCM, for precise system management. So, what causes a P0532 code? Let's explore the common culprits behind this AC system fault. One primary cause is a low refrigerant charge, often due to a leak in your AC system. Less refrigerant means lower pressure. Another common issue is a faulty AC pressure sensor itself. It might be damaged or simply malfunctioning. Wiring and connector issues are also frequent. Look for corroded, loose, or damaged wiring in the sensor circuit. Finally, though rare, a PCM malfunction could be the culprit. However, it's usually not the primary cause. How do you know if you have a P0532 code? Let's look at the common symptoms you might experience. The most obvious symptom: your AC system simply won't work, leaving you without that refreshing cold air. You might also notice the AC clutch not engaging. This is a clear sign the system isn't initiating cooling. Of course, the check engine light, or CEL, will illuminate on your dashboard, signaling a detected fault. In some cases, you might even experience engine performance issues due to the PCM adjusting for the AC fault. Now, for the crucial part: troubleshooting and diagnoses. How do you pinpoint the exact problem? Start with a visual inspection. Check for any visible damage to the sensor, wiring, and connectors. Next, perform a refrigerant pressure check. Use a manifold gauge set to accurately measure AC system pressures. Electrical testing is key. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's voltage and resistance, and check wiring continuity. Finally, utilize a scan tool. Read live data from the AC pressure sensor to get real-time diagnostic information. Once diagnosed, what are the repair solutions for a P0532 code? Let's dive into the fixes. If low refrigerant is the issue, perform a proper AC system evacuation and recharge after fixing any leaks. For a faulty sensor, the solution is straightforward. Replace the AC refrigerant pressure sensor with a new one. Damaged wiring or connectors, repair or replace them to restore proper electrical continuity. If you're unsure or the problem persists, always seek professional assistance from a certified mechanic. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are some tips to avoid the P0532 code in the future. Ensure regular AC system maintenance. This helps catch potential issues before they become major problems. Periodically, check for leaks. Early detection can save you from costly repairs down the line. And finally, address any minor issues promptly. Don't let small problems escalate into bigger ones. In summary, the P0532 code signaled a low input from your AC refrigerant pressure sensor. It's crucial to diagnose and repair it to maintain your AC's performance and your driving comfort. Thank you for watching CodeMechanic. Don't forget to subscribe for more essential automotive tips and troubleshooting guides.